Just got this package from a homie over at Hypnotik out in the Bay Area. Love the vibrant design. Can't wait to get into it and see what they send. Right off the bat, super nice handmade mask. Clean. Stickers. Love the stickers. Just wanted to say before I unwrap these, love the packaging. The stickers. The wrap, really nice. So this first one, sick. Love that. And the second, hella dope. Definitely be wearing that one. There you have it. 2 awesome t-shirts by my friends over at Hypnotik out in the Bay Area. Love you guys.